This is why you need to pack like a pro. Get ready to discover 5 hacks that'll make your travel life so much easier. Hack number 1. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only saves space, but it also keeps them wrinkle-free. Plus, you can fit those extra souvenirs. Who needs an iron anyway? Next up, hack 2. Use packing cubes. These little wonders keep your suitcase organized and make unpacking a breeze. It's like having drawers in your luggage. Hack 3. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. Those chunky boots and that cozy sweater? Wear them. It saves you space and keeps you comfy on that freezing flight. Hack 4. Travel size everything. Instead of lugging full-size toiletries, grab those adorable travel-size bottles. Or go pro and use solid toiletries like shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets. TSA will love you for it. And finally, hack 5. Stuff your shoes. Yep, you heard that right. Fill your shoes with socks, chargers, or even a mini first aid kit. It's like finding extra pockets in your suitcase. There you have it, savvy travelers. 5 simple hacks to pack like a pro and keep your budget intact. Remember, the lighter you pack, the more you can explore. Happy travels!